Now I want to tell you a little bit about our beautiful turmeric latte, our golden milk. This is exactly the same. It's completely sugar-free, it's vegan, it's dairy-free, high in antioxidants and polyphenols. It's very anti-inflammatory. It's fantastic for supporting the immune system and also gut health. And it's certified organic and it's totally delicious. I just want to show you how easy it is to make. It's a spoonful of this into your favorite cup. And then I just love to add a little bit of hot water just to mix it through. And I like to sweeten it with a little bit of honey or a little bit of maple. So I'm just going to put just a little bit of maple in here, but you don't have to sweeten it at all if you don't want to. And then last but not least, I've got some gorgeous hot almond milk here. And I'm just going to pour this through. And you'll see it's beautiful, it's rich, it's nurturing. And just to finish it off with a little bit of cinnamon. And this is how to make the perfect turmeric latte that's nourishing for your body as well.